Alright, so hello everyone and welcome back to today's webinar. So I hope you all are getting an idea of how I used to tackle down these cases in my day-to-day practice. So let's start with the case of asthma today. So let's start with the definition of this asthma. This asthma is a condition in which your airways become narrow and swell up, and they sometimes may produce some extra mucus, and there can be breathing difficulties and trigger coughing and wheezing sound when you breathe out. When you breathe out, there is wheezing sound in the chest when you examine by the stethoscope, and the shortness of breath is a major peculiar symptom of the asthma. So some of the sign and symptom of this asthma is shortness of breath, chest tightness or pain, wheezing when exhaling, which is the common symptom of asthma in children, and their trouble sleeping causes shortness of breath, coughing and wheezing. Coughing or wheezing attack are worsened by respiratory virus such as cold of the flu. So this should be there in this asthma. So we will discuss some of the causes of it. Pollution is the major cause of this asthma. Smoking, household chemicals, that could be the major cause, and it can be genetic or the hereditary cause of this asthma should be there. Fatty foods, dust, pets danger, that's the major new cause we are getting nowadays, and bacteria and viruses, this all can be triggered this asthma very well. So let's start with the case now, and it's a case of a 29-year-old female, and she has asthmatic complaints in last 3 years, and she also has the disturbed sleep. So when she first came to the clinic, she looked very timid, she was a bit restless as well. So I said to him to sit down, but she said, I am feeling a bit anxious now. I feel anxious now. So, sir, please give me 10 minutes, sir. I want to relax myself from walking. So she went for a walk before the conversation. So now the conversation of between us and the patient is start. So the conversation is, during the evening I got difficulty in breathing. There is great anxiety. I can't stand or sit. My mind that time couldn't be relaxed at that time. So I asked doctor, when did breathing difficulty aggravate? She said, when generally in the evening it increases. I feel very anxious in the evening. So I asked, when this complaint is ameliorated from walking. That first she went for a walk. Breathing difficulty ameliorate. I drink fruit juices. From that also my anxiety reduces, and also after eating something from it also reduces. So it get ameliorated from walking, eating or drinking something. So I asked, how did this problem begin? I just wanted to know the ailment from. So she said, I removed my uterus 3 years back. From there on, this anxiety and breathing difficulty aggravates. So I asked, what was your mental status at that time? I want to know the mental ailment from. I was very anxious. When I was admitted in the hospital, the nurse make a lot of noises. The noises make me more anxious and breathless. Even now I can't tolerate noises. Even the traffic noises I can't tolerate. Even the traffic noises I can't tolerate. So I asked, what was your mental state just after the operation? Our patient said, I was very frightful at that time. After the operation, I was getting severe hemorrhage. She was getting severe hemorrhage. I feel that whether I have to go for operation again. So that was the major fear she has at that time. So she also said, nurse used to give me medicine. I used to think that whether this medicine will harm me. That was the major fear I had at that time. And I asked, which kind of food do you like? To know the generalities even more better. So she said, I like sweet, especially Kaju Katli I like a lot. So this was all about the case, and this was all about the conversation. I was just trying to give you the essence of conversation. This case is a 1.5 hour long, so I can't tell you the each and everything, but I am just getting you the essence of this. So let's do the analysis now. So analysis, if you want to analyze, you can pause it down video here and you can analyze this case by yourself as well. So especially what's my understanding in this case of asthma, I wanted to tell you, in this especially the cases, the modalities are very important. The modality, if you exaggerate all the modality, you may able to get the better result, especially in cases of asthma. I didn't use mother tincture in this asthma cases because I think that this cases, if you get the accurate modalities, a single medicine could work miraculously well. So this was the totality I make. Respiration difficult, evening aggravate. Respiration difficult, walking ameliorate. Generalities, noises aggravate. Respiration difficult, eating ameliorate. Generality, operation after operation of the uterus. Generalities, food and drink, sweet desires. and mind fear injured of being because of the medicine. I used to think whether this medicine used to harm me or not. So this was the totality I make, and you can check out the single remedy which is popping out here is Ruststock, which is covering all these rubrics. So what was the prescription? Ruststock 200 OD for 5 days and followed by Ruststock 1M single dose after 3 months. So patient recovered tremendously well after these Ruststocks. So at last I want to show reverence to all my gurus who taught me so much. You can contact to me nishan25smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.